Well, one of the architects of our Constitution says with the many problems facing South Africa, we can all look to the supreme law of the land as a source of strength and encouragement. Former Constitutional Court Justice Albie Sachs says our progressive Constitution is admired the world over, and some sections are being adopted almost word for word in other countries. Our reporter Aisha Ismail sat down with him to talk about the adoption of the Constitution 25 years ago.
25 years on, I feel huge joy and celebration and deep pain at the same time. And the celebration is we got a country. We didn't have a country before. We were all separated into our group areas and Bantustans, and the white supremacy was overt. We've got rid of all that rubbish, that horrible weight of the past. We've got rid of that.
Sachs says our democracy, judiciary, civil society and elections are working well.
But we've made terrible mistakes, honest mistakes, and there have been dishonest conduct on behalf of many, many people. But what does please me now is the Constitution gives us a mechanism for dealing with the honest mistakes, but also for dealing with the people who behaved dishonestly.
This, he says, thanks to the Constitution, is being done in the open.
So by and large, looking back on 25 years, for all the inequality that exists, for all the fact that the huge promise of real, genuine rights for everybody hasn't been achieved by a long shot, we've got a Constitution.
Senior Counsel Tembeka Kaitobi says for the Constitution to be a living instrument, it needs to be more popularly known to give meaning and effect to people's lives.
One of the key problems that the state, including Parliament, have failed to do is translating the document and speaking about it in indigenous languages. We have millions of people who do not have ready access to English medium institutions. So the first thing is getting the document understood in indigenous languages.
Kaitobi says we need to get people talking about the Constitution at a local level. Aisha Ismail, Cape Town.